Good day to all my dear students. I'm Miss Uma Vidushi. I hope you are safe and indoors. Be secure and hygiene. So we may utilize this quarantine period in the best possible manner together. So today we will be studying determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are those words that are used before nouns to identify them. It means determiners are the words that are placed before a noun to show whether it's specific or general. There are almost 50 determiners like a, an, the, this, those, that, etc. But determiners may be divided into four different kinds. First is called articles. What are articles? The words a and an are called indefinite articles. They are used with singular countable noun. So article is again classified in two categories, indefinite and definite. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. Let's go one by one. First, I am going to tell you the use of a. We use a article before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant. Let's take example: a chair, a picture, a dog, a pencil. These are some singular nouns, singular countable nouns. We also use a before such vowels which give the sound of a consonant. Yes, let's understand it with example: a European, a union leader, a one-eyed man, etc. Now, let's come to know what are the uses of an. We use an before a singular countable noun, but these words must begins with a vowel. For example, an apple, an inkpot, an almirah, etc. We also use an before words beginning with a consonant but giving a vowel sound. That is where the sound of the consonant is silent. For example, an hour, an honest man, an X-ray, an amele, an ame, etc. Now, let's understand what is the definite article. The word the is called the definite article. It is used before a noun which refers to something or someone definite or specific. So we use the when we refer to some particular place, thing or noun or person. For example, the sun, the stars, the moon, the United States of America. So these are some examples of the use the. The is also used when a singular noun is used to denote or represent the whole class. Let me repeat. The is also used when a singular noun is used to denote or represent a whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The lion is a fierce animal. The is also used before the names of rivers, range of mountains, seas, oceans, valleys, gulfs, etc. For example, the Himalayas, the Rajasthan camel, the Thar desert, the Andaman and Nicobar island. So these are some uses of the.